Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this very coming week. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So with that being said, we're going to start off with JPYX that we can clearly see it's in a downtrend as prices just creating lower lows and lower highs. However, currently prices has reached this support structure and has been having a hard time breaking it until last week on Thursday. It did manage to break below here and actually close below it, but then prices just reversed up back here. So I am still bearish biased. That's my bias on JPYX. However, as you can see, prices have a very low bearish pressure. So they are looking for a structure to get that. Okay, what's going on? They're looking for that solid structure that will actually give it the volume that it needs to continue with the move. Now, what I'm thinking is prices are obviously bearish and they will continue being bearish, but I wouldn't take a trade until I see another solid break below here. And it will be better if it actually closes below this low. And then on that retest, that's where we'll be taking our entries to go short. Right? All the way until somewhere down here. So right here is where we will be looking for our entries, if that makes sense. However, we all know the market is always right. Should prices break above here, we will be looking for intraday trades until here. And then from there, we will be looking for sells. Excuse me. So that's my view on JPYX and how I anticipate it to play out this coming week. However, I'm most likely bearish biased. So I do believe it will be taking off from here, but our entries will be here. If it does break above here, our entries will be right there. Now, how will this be impacting the other JPYX pairs? We do have Euro JPY, which is inversely correlated to JPYX. And as you can see here, prices did reach our target for the last week anticipation, and we were also looking for this bullish impulsive move that hasn't played out yet. Prices have just been ranging in here. Now, obviously, we do have this as a solid support. Prices broke above that high, hasn't yet created any potential move. So what I'm looking for again, it's obviously you can see prices are right now kind of pumping lower. So I will be looking for a bounce from here to continue all the way until up there. So that's the move I'm looking for in Euro JPY. This is 4 hour, guys. So you can actually go to the time frame that you always trade in just to look for better trading opportunities, because I know some of y'all take entries on lower time frames such as 1 hour or 30 minutes. Now with CAD JPY, let's take a look at it from the daily. We can see prices broke above these highs. And obviously, I was anticipating it to be bullish, and it is being bullish at the moment. Broke above these highs. So obviously, looking for entries somewhere here on the retest. On the 4 hour, how is it looking? So it's almost at the same exact place where I'm looking for entries on my daily and where prices are at right now. So obviously, this is a area of interest. So should we get a confirmation candlestick, we will be looking for area entries from there to pump all the way until about 107. And obviously, my targets will be somewhere there. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on CAD JPY. If you're finding value, consider giving us a like. Don't forget to join our free Telegram that's linked in the description, as we always drop updates and what's going on in the community. Be sure to join that. The link is in the description. You don't want to miss that out. Let's take a look at DXY, the US dollar currency index. Now, with this, I'm obviously still bearish biased. As you can see, it's very clearly strong bearish. This bullish move is just a retracement and correction. However, I'm anticipating the correction to retrace until somewhere here, right? So I will be looking for buys, obviously, from there until somewhere there. That's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm looking for. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have Euro USD, which is inversely correlated to DXY. Now, should DXY be bullish, Euro USD will obviously be bearish. And it did bounce off the 0.71 on the daily. Currently, I'm looking for some kind of a confirmation from there to take my trade until somewhere there. We got GU, same thing. However, for GU, I won't be taking a trade until this low is actually broken. So I will be looking for entries once this low is broken, excuse me, to continue selling until all the way down there. Something like that. It's going to be a very long week, obviously, until this pair actually breaks below here. So yeah, we also do have USD JPY, obviously positively correlated to the dollar. So we'll be looking for buys in this one. Looks like prices have now decided to solidify this as a structure. So we'll be looking for entries around the area to buy from there to take off all the way until, you know, this market structure up here. And our final pair of the week that we're going to be analyzing is gold. Obviously, as you can see, it is still pumping. So we didn't get that move that we were looking for in gold to sell. It did break above and kept pumping higher. Never gave us that. So since it broke above, we obviously have to follow what the market is doing. So it broke that. So we are looking for buys. We follow the markets, guys. We don't do anything else. So retracement, continuation. That's all I have for this week, guys. If you found value, consider giving us a like, subscribe, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this content. Until next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.